Now let us study the first logical connective, and that is going to form what is called as a conjunction. Okay, so a conjunction is a compound statement obtained by using the connective and to join two statements. For example, when we say that 2 is a rational number and London is in India. Okay, so because of the word and, which is joining two individual simple statements, the compound statement so formed is called as a conjunction, and the word and is called as the logical connective, and it is denoted by this particular symbol, that is a caret type of symbol. We have to remember that the joining words like but, still, yet, though, moreover, etc. also indicate the conjunction only. Okay, so basically it's like it is telling you to join the two statements with the word and. Now let us find out the truth table of conjunction, that is, how do we know whether the conjunction of two statements P and Q is true or false based on the individual truth value of P and Q. So here a simple way to remember this is that the conjunction will be true only when both of the statements are true. Okay, so just to give an analogy, think of this as two switches in a series. Okay, and suppose there is a lamp and there is a battery. Now ask the question, when will the lamp glow? We know that clearly when both of the switches are closed, the lamp will glow. Okay, so if we think of closing of a switch as true, then we want both of the switches in closed position, that is, both the statements should be true, which is the first case, that is when the conjunction will be true. In all other cases, the conjunction will be false, that is when at least one of the switches is open, in that case the lamp will not glow. Okay, so that's a simple way to remember the truth table of conjunction. Okay, now let us solve one question based on this to practice. Express the following in symbolic form and write the truth value. So the first question is, Jupiter is a planet and Mars is a star. Okay, so here we have to identify that, say, first simple statement, let us denote that as P. Okay, and second statement, Mars is a star, let us denote that as Q. So here we have P and Q, and since they are joined by the word and, we have P and Q, so it's a conjunction. Now we have to state whether this final compound statement is true or false. So in that we observe that the first statement is true, that is Jupiter is a planet is a true statement, but Mars is a star is clearly a false statement, because Mars is also a planet, it's not a star. So the final conjunction, since it has one false statement, is also a false statement overall. Okay, so when at least one of the individual statements is false, the conjunction becomes false. Now let's go to the second one. Root 5 is a rational number and 2i is a complex number. So once again, if we denote the first statement as P and the second as Q, it is still denoted symbolically as P and Q. Now coming to the truth values, we know that root 5 is a rational number. Is it correct? Of course it is not correct, because root 5 is an irrational number. But 2i is a complex number is right, because any number, whether it is real or imaginary, it is definitely a complex number. So since one of the constituent statements is false, it makes the conjunction overall also to be a false statement. And thirdly, we have mango is a fruit but potato is a vegetable. So here mango is a fruit, we denote by P, and potato is a vegetable by Q, and the word but indicates conjunction only, so we have P and Q. As far as truth values are considered, we know that mango is a fruit is true and potato is a vegetable is also true. So now here, since both of the simple statements are true, the given conjunction is also definitely true as per the truth table.